Hey everybody, what is up? It's me, Timothy, and gonna be doing an unboxing here today. I got this in my P.O. box today. Well, it was waiting for me. I'm gonna find out who sent this for me. Let you guys watch me open this. Oh, it's a fishing tackle box. Yeah. Got me a fishing tackle box here. Ain't that sweet? Yeah. It's for my, I got yesterday in a blog, I got me a fishing pole. Somebody sent me a fishing pole. And now they sent me a fishing tackle box. Well, thank you, whoever did this. You don't know who you are, but again, thank you. It's like I say, people, it's hard for me to be able to get out there and go fishing. And the reason why it's hard for me is I don't have a boat. Now, if I had a rowboat or something like that, yeah, I would go get out there and go fishing. But that's the big problem for me. I don't have any boat. I don't even know very much people that do have a boat. And that's one of my disadvantages. I would like to do stuff like that. I really would. I know it'd be awesome content for me to do something like that, but it's just a disadvantage. It really is. Now, we don't have a marina here where I live at. I believe we used to a long time ago, but not no more. And now, I know there's a town called Gull Lake. I don't know if they have anything like that, anything that offers like that will take people out on a boat and go fishing. I don't know. I know other areas they do, but I don't know about my area. I would have to look into that. I really would. But that would be good content to put up, is me fishing. But that's like I say, people, it's just so hard. I've been to our local rivers here in my town, and who wants a carp? I don't want no carp. And like I say, I enjoy fishing and everything, but that's one of my disadvantages. And there just isn't very much places to go anyways. But again, whoever did this, thank you. And, you know, this spring when the weather breaks and stuff, I might get out there and do some fishing for you guys. I'm sure you guys would enjoy a different kind of content like that. But you gotta wait for the weather to warm up so I could do stuff like that. That is for sure. Hey, maybe me and my son might put up some good content for you guys. Huh? Because I believe he went out fishing once and posted that on YouTube, if I'm not mistaken. But again, thank you, whoever's doing this. I really, really appreciate it big time. But like I say, you know, my disadvantage is no boat. Now, if I had a boat, I would do that, but I don't have a boat. And there just isn't very much places around to go fishing anyways here where I live at. It's like I have been to our local rivers. We got the Kalamazoo River, and we got the Battle Creek River. Now, I've been to both. Now, the only thing I've caught out of the Kalamazoo River is carp or little panfish. Out of the Battle Creek River, I have never, ever caught anything in my life from that river. Never, ever have I caught anything from that river. Now, hopefully, now there is a street not too far from here that I could give a shot at, but I would have to wait for warmer weather. But again, thank you for your kindness, whoever's doing this, and hopefully this spring I'll put up some content on me fishing. But you guys will have to wait and see. But everybody, I hope all of you enjoyed this video of watching me doing unboxing. And if you did, give it a big thumbs up. Share it. If you're new and came along this video, hit that red subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel. And check out my other videos I got plenty. So feel free and check them out, will you? I would love it if you could do that for me. But again, everyone, y'all take it easy out there and have a good one. And God bless to everybody out there. And please, people, with all these viruses out there, is to please wash your hands. If you got a cough or sneeze, cover with your elbow. Stay your distance, 6 feet back. If you disinfect things, please do that. If you wear gloves, please do that. But do me a big favor, people. If you can. I'm not forcing any of you to do it or anything if you don't want to. But if you can, get out there and get your vaccine shot. I try to encourage my subscribers out there. I look out for all of you. I care about all of you. You know, I don't want to see any of you up there in the hospital being sick or having this virus and stuff. And yes, I know you could still get the virus being on the vaccine. But let me explain one thing to you. You won't be as sick if you don't have the vaccine in you. Now, I had somebody kind of complain to me saying I'm spreading propaganda. No, I'm on my other channel, on my ASMR channel. I was like, no, I'm not. I'm just looking out for my subscribers to that person, you know. It's like they're trying to crack down too, man. You know, they're making it rough on people to be able to do something and, go enjoy an evening out where you might have to. It's like, I don't know how many of you live in the big city of New York, but, you know, it's sad what they're doing there. You know, you got to show proof of your vaccination. And you got to have your card and everything. And, you know, places are starting to get down and be cracking down on that. And that's sad, but, you know, what do we do? You know, our hospitals are full with people sick with the virus and this and that. And it's not a lot of people that have not got the vaccine yet. That's a lot of people that are sick that have not received their vaccine yet. I watched the news, and this one lady said that she's going to go out and get her the shot after catching it and stuff. And I hope some of you will maybe listen to me, but if you don't, well, that's your right. That's your priority. You don't have to take it if you don't want to, but do it for your safety and your own good. But until next time, everybody, y'all take it easy and have a good one. And this is Timothy, and this unboxing is over. Have a good one, everybody, and take care.